The purpose of this video is for guidance on how to properly set up the D85-WH functions upon arrival, as well as checking the functionality of some of the new features associated with the waste spec arrangement. Once you've performed a proper walk-around inspection, use 3 points of contact to enter the cab. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. From here, you can set up machine features specific to your company's policies and preferences, as well as any deck level adjustments. These features include auto idle shutdown, reverse slow setting, transmission shift modes, rear camera adjustment, work light adjustment, and any other settings needed. Always ask about the customer's policies and operator preferences and refer to the operation manual and shop manual to adjust settings accordingly. Once you have made all the necessary machine adjustments, we can now start the machine and allow the engine to warm up. The D85-18 features hydraulic steering, which allows continuous power flow to the final drives and uses a hydraulic motor to turn the machine. Only in neutral does the machine have the ability to counter-rotate, so we are going to utilize that function for checking the sway of the push group. This check indicates whether or not you will need to adjust the shims of the push group assembly. After the initial setup for the D85-18 waste spec arrangement is complete, the machine is ready for operation. During operation, remember when making a pass to keep the machine as straight as possible. This will help reduce wear of the undercarriage and maximize production. During operation of the machine in a waste environment, you may need to manually reverse the fan. This is only if the radiator has become restricted faster than the automatic fan reversal function can operate. The manual fan reversal switch is located behind the work equipment control lever. Flip this switch to initiate manual reverse function. This momentary switch should not be operated while the machine is in forward travel. While operating Komatsu machines that are Tier 4 final compliant, a process called regeneration will take place to remove excess particulate matter from the Komatsu diesel particulate filter. Komatsu has 3 types of regenerations to allow more productivity and less downtime. The first type is passive regeneration. This occurs when the operator is properly operating the machine and the exhaust temperature is high enough that it constantly oxidizes the particulate matter into an inert gas to pass through the Komatsu diesel particulate filter. There is no indication on the monitor of this process happening, but is caused by proper operation with the throttle dial being at max and avoiding things like long idle times, light workload, and improper maintenance. The second type is automatic regeneration. This happens automatically without the need to park the machine and initiate the regeneration. It does not affect machine performance or machine downtime. An icon will illuminate on the monitor to inform the operator that the automatic regeneration is in progress, so that he or she does not shut down the machine. The third type is manual stationary regeneration. The machine monitor will inform the operator to park the machine when it is safe, and prompt the operator to initiate the regeneration process. Please read carefully and follow the requested prompts. During the regeneration process, the engine exhaust system will increase exhaust gas temperatures dramatically, which will cause the components to raise in temperature as well. Komatsu has added thermal guards to the exhaust system to reduce the potential of combustible waste to come in contact with hot surfaces. Do not shut the machine off during the regeneration, and allow the machine to cool down for a minimum of 5 minutes before turning the ignition key off. Once the engine is shut down, wait until the green system operating lamp is off before turning the machine disconnect key off. Prior to performing maintenance on the machine, be sure to properly lock out tagout the battery disconnect key. The machine comes equipped with the ability to add a lock to the disconnect key. This gives visual confirmation that power to the machine has been removed before starting any service. The D85-18 waste handler package offers many features that aids in maintaining the machine. The undercarriage offers cleanout holes in the track shoes, and with the decreased width of the tracks, it allows stuck material to be pushed through the frame during cleaning instead of having to pull the material out. A variable pitch fan allows the automatic fan reversal instead of having to stop the machine to reverse the fan. This increases machine production. Simply remove the cover and adjust the timers. The left timer adjusts the duration of reversal, and the right timer adjusts the frequency of reversal. For a light debris environment, the recommended cycle would be 20-minute frequency with a 15-second duration. For a heavy debris environment, the recommended cycle would be a 10-minute frequency with a 15-second duration. However, actual adjustments may vary. Barn door style radiator doors allow easier access to clean out the radiator when necessary. A lowered and relocated Misabi hydraulic cooler has been moved to a cleaner area at the rear of the machine. This cooler features a swing-out screen that allows greater access for cleaning. A powered underguard is provided to allow easy cleaning of the engine compartment. The remote is stored inside the cab and connects to the control box located in the battery compartment. There is enough cable length to allow the operator to visually see the panel lowering. Before lowering, the bolts of the panel must first be removed. Use caution and support the panel as you remove and install the bolts. Once the bolts are removed, insert the remote's connector to the control box. With the key in the on position, use the remote to lower the panel. Visually confirm that the panel was fully on the ground before starting to clean out the engine's compartment. Follow these instructions in reverse order to reinstall. You should now be equipped with the knowledge to perform a proper walkaround and machine setup on the D85-18 waste spec arrangement. Please download all videos and reference back whenever needed. Be sure to watch the base model videos for additional information. Thanks for watching.